Hi people, my name is Tola Alabi. You're welcome to ProUp Masterclass. Today we're going to be talking about how to get your clients to pay you more money for your logos. You're welcome back to ProUp Masterclass. Now, I've been a graphic designer for over 13 years now, and I've had the opportunity of mentoring quite a number of designers. And it's always interesting when I talk with them and I ask them, how much do you charge for your logo design? And I get answers like I charge 2,000 Naira, 5,000 Naira. If I'm lucky, I get 10,000 Naira. And that's quite ridiculous to me because on the other side of the spectrum, I know there are designers that earn hundreds of thousands, millions from identity design. And that got me thinking, what's the difference between these two sets of designers? And it comes down to two words: technical skill. Designers that don't do too well from logo design financially spend too much time building their technical skills. Now, if you don't understand what I mean by technical skills, I'm talking about your Photoshop skills, your Illustrator skills, your CorelDRAW skills, whatever software you use in achieving your logos, spending so much time building those skills. Now, those skills are good, and knowing how to use the software is good, but they only make you proficient. They do not necessarily make you successful financially. There's a mentality that if I'm not getting big clients and I'm not getting enough clients, then it means my skills are not up to par. So I should register for a masterclass that shows me how to improve my Photoshop skills. But think about it. Think about the Fortune 500 companies you know out there, the Microsoft, the Samsungs, the Nikes. Do these companies have really technical logos? Do they have logos that really need a designer with expert knowledge of Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW? No, they have good logos, but they do not have technical logos. Now, some people might be saying, now these are Western companies. Westerners don't think like Africans. Africans want something grand, something technical. But I can disagree with that, because when I think of companies like GT Bank, the GT Bank logo is basically just an orange square. Now, orange square, how technical can that be? That can be done with Microsoft Word. And you might say the logo is not technical, but it's unique. But it's not even a unique logo, because Orange in the UK has the same logo, an orange square. So how was a design agency able to sell an orange square to GT Bank? And I'm guessing GT Bank paid quite a lot of money for that logo. Now, that's because the design agency that handled that brief did not sell technical skill. They sold an idea. They sold intellectual skill. Now, intellectual skill is your ability to come up with an idea and sell an idea. Designers need to spend less time doing and more time thinking. People these days spend more money on thinkers than doers. There are so many doers out there. So before you go to that sketch pad, before you go to your computer and work on a brief, spend more time thinking. Spend more time thinking about an idea and how to sell an idea. If you're able to sell an idea, you can sell a dot for a very high price. So think about it. Think about what you're doing. Think about how you want to sell a concept, and not basically how to sell a piece of graphic. Think about how your graphic is going to help the company and going to help the company to be more productive and have higher sales. And then you would see your finances grow. You will see clients pay you more. So build intellectual skills and have more money. Build technical skills and have more proficiency. Now, if you have more thoughts on this topic, intellectual skills versus technical skills, or you have a logo you want us to look at, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next class.